I want to try the spicy one now.
Yeah, yeah.
We should have gone with spicy. What happened?
I happened. All right, so we got our hot box sushi and we can't wait to try this at home. All right, so we're ready for lunch, and thank goodness that Maria did some prep work. She cut some cucumbers and some avocado to go really well with this hot box. And according to the lid, you gotta preheat your oven to 400 degrees, and you're gonna leave the hot box for about 15 to 20 minutes. And then after you're done, when you're ready to serve, you're gonna take a slice of seaweed or nori, and then place a big spoonful on it, and just chug it down for lunch.
All right, so is it ready?
Yeah, it looks ready. Just came out of the oven. I'm ready to dig in.
Yes.
So the instructions on the lid said to take a piece of seaweed. I'm gonna put
Avocado.
yeah, I'm gonna put a piece of avocado. Putting a piece of avocado and some cucumber.
Avocado's looking a little brown from all the waiting. It's all good.
It doesn't look that brown. And now we're gonna dig into the hot box. Okay, this looks good. All right. Ooh, wait.
I think you put a little bit too much.
I think I might have, yeah, I took it too literally, where it's like, take a big spoonful. But you know what? This is an opportunity to make a hot box sandwich. Okay, here we go.
I'm gonna put an itty bitty tiny piece of avocado. I'm not gonna be in a bowl. And then some of this.
Wait, you don't want to do a sandwich?
No. And then we have cucumbers too, so I'll put some of that. Okay.
All right.
And voila.
You have a mini taco. You
I
have a street
mini
taco.
All
I
right.
have a street sandwich. Cheers.
Mmm. Hot damn.
That's good. That's good. Mmm.
That was really good, that mix.
Oh, wow.
And we have to say, we didn't eat it right away because we were busy. So we got it on Saturday.
Yeah.
And today's Monday. So it's like, it's gonna be a great work lunch.
Yeah, because we actually wanted to do it on Sunday, but it was still kind of like gray
Cloudy.
and raining.
Yeah.
So we thought maybe on Monday it'd be, nope.
It's so gray and snowing now.
Do it, and it's really, really good. Like it's pretty fresh because you don't get a fishy taste from it, which is awesome. And then it's very creamy, so you can just eat it with the nori by itself. Or I would just eat it by itself. No nori, just spoonfuls of hot box sushi. Wow, this is delicious.
I believe it coming from you.
This is delicious. Like I might make myself another hot box sandwich. All right, guys. Well, this is really delicious. We want to thank Hot Box Sushi for providing us this hot box. It was just really, really delicious, and I hope you guys really try it out. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below.
We're gonna leave the information down below so you guys can check it out.
Yeah, definitely give it a try. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and
See you in the next one.
bye.